Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and a fine cake serving or sandwich plate to show you, made by James Kent from the old Foley range. Wasn't ever assigned a name or number. They made a whole series of these with these central beautiful block designs of English mixed garden flowers, convolvulus roses, briar roses, peonies, a little bit of what looks like forget-me-not creeping in here, and then the banding on the outer rim, again in this sort of mint turquoisey green with that gilt network of what looks like double camellia flowers all across it, coming into this central sort of Victorian, quite Georgianesque, is it? That's the right phrase. This sort of neoclassical, quite much more formal, that area of the print composed to the rest. There's no factory markings on this one at all, so you might say, well, how are you certain that this is James Kent Old Foley? Well, it's exactly the right shape, and nobody else was making anything quite like this during this period of time. 1930s through to around 1950s. I think this is probably a 1940s piece. Condition-wise, we would say there's just a tiny little bit of loss of the gilt design and detailing and brightness just on this inner rim here. You see where it's just taken a little bit of wear over its lifetime. But considering this is coming up to antique status now, just look at the rich thickness of that transfer floral design. Not hand-coloured this, but it's palpable, the thickness of the paints and enamels that they transfer printed onto this plate. An absolute thing of beauty, and a lovely sort of minty turquoise green background, ground colour around the outer rim. A really nice example of the old Foley James Kent was producing around this period. Available for sale now from the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll pop a link in the description below, take you through to this particular serving plate. We've got 3 or 4 different versions of the same design shape on catalogue, so do have a browse through if you're looking to put a collection together. They display absolutely beautifully. Thanks for watching.